What the climate changes.
I don't really like climate change. Neither do we.
We are only children. We don't deserve this difficult future.
What can we do?
I know. Let's explain to other people what we can do to stop climate change. We will struggle against climate change. And we will win.
Ready, steady, go! You know we don't really need so much stuff.
We are people, not consumers.
The earth has limits. We have to respect our rhythm, use low consumption lamps, and save electricity.
Let's reduce our energy consumption.
Sometimes we schedule objects and clothes.
The reason is very simple. We only want to change them. Many objects can have a second or a third life.
If we reuse the objects, we save energy.
And when you don't need them anymore, give them to another person. It's very simple and it's a good
When we reduce and recycle, we fight against climate change. People from Atapera are doing a good job recycling every day.
But we need that more villages, towns and cities improve the recycling. Do you think we can reach? Oh yes, and we will give you more ideas. We trust in you. Our cars, planes and ships are polluting the air of the oceans.
They are meant for transporting and ecological.
Yes, of course. And the scooter are eco-friendly. And electric cars are motorbikes and less polluting and the earth.
We will short transportation public, trains, cars and underground.
And remember, work is good for your health and good for the nature. Faraway products need transportation and conservation. I mean that these products need more energy than the local ones. Local products are more sustainable and you help the local economy. Remember, intensive farming is not sustainable. And the chemicals that this farming uses are not good for our health.
You know, every Thursday in the morning we have a marketplace in Matadepera.
There, you can bring your basket or reusable bag and buy fresh products.
And you don't need any plastic bag. Many products in the supermarkets are overpacked with plastics.
If we refuse to buy these products, we have the sustainability of our world.
Make these efforts.
Fresh water is very limited and it's essential for your life. Remember, it's better to have a shower than to have a bath and close the tap when brushing your teeth. Plant suitable plants in your garden that are adapted to our dry climate. Save water every day. We will need it in the future.
As you know, the energy that comes from fossil fuels is polluting. possibilities.
For example, photovoltaic energy to make electricity.
Also, solar panels to air the water, or wind turbines to make electricity.
You can choose your energy. Think green.
To have a good future.
But we need to change many things. We are children. We need your commitments.
Do you think we can do an effort all together?
We'll do fight against the climate change.
We need you.
We trust in you. Thank you.
Thank you.